Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to know your Wi-Fi password on iPhone. If your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi network, it does know the password, but it doesn't show it directly, so you can find or share the Wi-Fi password knowing these methods. First of all, go ahead and ensure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi and then tap Open Settings from your home screen. In the Settings menu, tap on Wi-Fi. You will then be able to see a list of Wi-Fi networks that you've connected with. Simply go ahead and tap on the eye icon right next to your Wi-Fi and you will then be able to see this page. Here, simply tap on Password and it'll ask you for your Face ID or passcode. After scanning with your Face ID and passcode, you will be able to display your Wi-Fi password. So that's how you easily know your Wi-Fi network's password. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.